Hello everyone. Today's topic is searching for solution. First topic is search. Process of locating a solution to a problem by systematically looking at nodes in a search tree or search space until a goal node is found. See, till when you have not found any goal node, then still you are searching. Search space, a set of possible permutation that can be examined by a search method in order to find a solution. The search space represents every possible solution and all the arrangements that do not satisfy the problem constraints. And a search tree, a tree that is used to represent a search problem and is examined by search method to search for a solution. So there are the categories of searching for solution. There are the categories of search method. There are two types: uniform search and informed search. First is generate and test. So now first discuss searching for solution. We have some actions that can change the state of the world. So change resulting from an action perfectly predictable. Try to come up with a sequence of actions that will lead us to a goal state. May want to minimize number of actions. More generally, may want to minimize total cost of action. Okay. So we should try to minimize the number of actions in respect of time, that is cost. Do not need to execute action in real life while searching for a solution. Everything perfectly predictable anyway. So this is a start node and this is a goal node. So you can choose A to D, D to E, E to F, or A to B, B to F. So where you have travel minimum, then you opt for which path where you give minimum time. हमें उस नोट से उस रूट को फाइंड उस रूट को ऑप्ट करना चाहिए जिसमें हमें मिनिमम टाइम लगे। मिनिमम हमारा टाइम लगेगा तो मिनिमम कॉस्ट आएगी और हम उसका आंसर फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। ए टू बी, बी टू है, ट्रैवलिंग ऑन ए ग्राफ। की कंसेप्ट्स इन ए सर्च, सेट ऑफ स्टेट्स that we can be in, including an initial state. सबसे पहले आप first you have to create initial state and goal state. For every state, a set of action that we can take. So each action results in a new state. When you take an action on a particular state, so you will create, yeah, you will get a new state. Typically defined by successor function. Given a state, produce all states that can be reached from it. Cost function that determine the cost of each action or path sequence of action. Solution path from initial state to a goal state. Optimal solution, solution with minimal cost. Categories of search method. First is generate and test. This is the simplest approach to search. It involves generating each node in a search space and testing to see if it is a goal node. If it is, if it is the search has, if it is the search has succeeded and need not carry on, otherwise the procedure waits on the next node. The search has succeeded and need not carry on otherwise on the next node. Next and brute force search. A search method that examines every path in a search tree with it founds a goal because it assumes no additional knowledge other than how to traverse the search tree and how to identify the leaf nodes and goal nodes, and it will ultimately examine every node in the tree with it for a goal. It is also called blind search because of the way in which search tree is searched without any information about the search space like initial state operators and test for the goals. Okay, now see generator properties. It must generate every possible solution, otherwise it might miss suitable solution. It must be non-redundant. It should not generate solution twice. It must be well informed. Purpose suitable solution only should not examine possible solution. Okay. It is called also brute force search because it assumes no additional knowledge other than how to traverse the search tree and how to identify the leaf nodes and goal nodes, and it will ultimately examine every node in the tree until it finds a goal. Okay. Category of search method uninformed search. Given a state, we only know whether it is the goal state or not. Cannot say one non-goal state looks better than another non-goal state. Can only traverse state space blindly in hope of somehow hitting a goal state at some point, also called blind search. Blind does not imply unsystematic. So types of blind search, depth first search. डेप्थ फर्स्ट सर्च क्या होता है इट इसमें शॉर्ट में भी इट डेप्थ फर्स्ट सर्च लीफो मीन्स लास्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट इट follows each path to its greatest depth before moving on the next path. ठीक है तो इसमें हम क्या करते हैं तो वी हैव मेंशन द लिमिट where you have to search for which node. So that is called depth cutoff or depth bound. A limit that is applied in depth first search that cuts search off at a specified depth. अगर हम इनफाइनाइट लेंथ की इनफाइनाइट के लिए करेंगे तो वो कभी हम उसको सर्च कर ही नहीं पाएंगे क्योंकि हमेशा वो इनफाइट इनफाइनाइट स्टेट में रहेगा. ब्रेथ फर्स्ट सर्च क्या होता है फीफो फर्स्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट. The new state generated at each level are put at the end of the queue which generated them. First in, first out. Thank you.